Let's go to the Huggy maze. Instead of using a plane, let's use a portal to save me from going back and forth. Let's set up the portal. We're almost there. And that's the maze. Perfect? Let's see. Great, the portal works. Let's do this. Okay, the next step is... Phew. Let's use this wooden wall. And now we just have to wait. Instead of waiting for 2 minutes, let's try to kill it with the proper weapon. By the way, maybe these brick walls will work.
Surprise, motherfucker!
It takes 6 RPG shots to kill Huggy Wuggy. I will test if Huggy Wuggy can pass through this wall. Let's try this wall. I mean, let's try it with this vertical sidewalk. It works. Let's try again. What? Never mind, let's do this in the maze. Now, let's use that vertical sidewalk. Wait, I forgot where the spot to spawn the wall is. What if I place landmines here?
Bruh.
Let's use this brick again, and make it lower. Maybe I'll be safe here. Let's wait and finish this challenge.
Hello guys,
Let's use the... Never mind, let's get out of here. So guys, the challenge is...
Let's go! Oh, DD, oh, what it is? Oh, DD, what?